see you like a night with a full moon. I feel you like a flame. You cast a spell on me. I like how you make me weak. I play you like a game. I hope when I die you'll barely survive it, and I'll rot next to you. I hope that our life feels so good you don't mind when I rot next to you. I'll haunt you like a soul cursed to shadow your life, and I'll reach you like rain. You put a hex on me, you know I bore easily, and I don't mind the pain. I hope when I die you'll barely survive it, and I'll rot next to you. I hope that our life feels so good you don't mind when I rot next to you. My darling, what a dreary, dreadful life.
Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe here on YouTube. If you did like it and you want to learn it for yourselves, we do have this available for purchase on our website, so you can check that out in the link below. This is also an example of a custom choreography. So if you're interested in us creating a wedding dance for you, you can send us your song and pick one of the two options that we have on our website. So go check that out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.